You can change your iPhone notification sound for different apps. This 5-minute solution will show you how you can do it. Open your iPhone settings, tap on notifications. Now, open the app you want to change notification. Make sure to enable sounds option here, and you will get the notification settings at the bottom. So tap on it and tap on notification sounds, and now you can change the notification sounds for the specific app. And go back from here, and now again open another app. Make sure to enable sounds and tap on notification settings. Just follow these steps for all specific app you want to change notification, and that's how you'll be able to change notifications for different apps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.